Hey, hi guys, welcome to Terrific Tuesday series. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I am going to go for a trail. Okay, so it's in New Hampshire. I stay in Boston in Belmont, and it's going to be around 2 to 3 hours of journey. So, like, we are around 8 people, so we have booked up a car, and I'm really excited because it's going to be my first long drive in US, and there is a place called, the trail is called the Flume Gorge Trail. Okay, it's in New Hampshire. So let's go. Stay tuned for the vlog. So excited. Okay, so we are all set with all our things. Food is packed, mask is very important, so I've got my mask as well, and this is a bag because it's a trail, so it's important to carry a lot of water and food and energy bars. Everything's ready and we are good to go. I'll quickly show you the ride for the day. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so this beauty is the ride for today and I am really excited. We are 8 people and it's going to be about 2.5 to 3 hours of journey, and let's go and explore New Hampshire Flume Gorge. Hey, hi guys. So we have covered around 1.5 hour of the journey, and I think it's going to take, according to Google Maps, 1 hour 25 minutes to reach New Hampshire, and then we start our trail at Flume Gorge. So yes, 1.5 hour to go, and we reach our destination. Okay, so we are 30 minutes away from New Hampshire and Flume Gorge, and we have just taken a small stop at a petrol pump, like the gas station, fuel station. And so far it has been a good journey. Let's see ahead, and the weather is also pretty amazing. It's like 16 degrees Celsius, which is too good, but the people here are telling me that when we go to the mountains, White Mountains, it's going to be a little cold. The good part is we got our jackets, so that's something good, and I'm so excited to see just 30 more minutes and we'll finally reach the destination.
Here I am in the car. Daddy,
बोलेगा उसका पैसे का
we got a rented car and we are now going to Hampshire to White Mountain, and we are going to play disc over there.
Whoa! Okay, so this is where we are. We have reached the destination. So Lily and Kushal have gone to actually take tickets, and once we take tickets, we have parked the car there, and we are going to take our backpacks for some water and energy bars. And this is where we are headed. Okay, so as you guys know, we had reached the destination. So there is this Echo Lake beach wherein we are planning to do some kayaking, or we'll get a canoe and we'll do some kayaking. Okay, so now after the Echo Lake beach, we are here at the basin. Okay, so that's the basin of the fall That's I told you, like, earlier, the Flume Gorge, the falls that are there. So this is the basin where we are in, as you guys can see. So I would want to tell you history of the actual Flume Gorge Franconian State Park. So this is a very huge trail. So basically the Flume Gorge comes under Franconian State Park. Okay, so Franconian North State Park in fact. And the Flume Gorge was discovered in the year 1808. Okay, so it was discovered by an aunt Gunsey, and she actually found this place, like, the basin. So people who don't know what a gorge is, so gorge is something you might be aware of canyon. So it is one step below the canyon, like for example it is smaller than the canyon, and it is formed due to hydraulic action of water. So the soil, the rock that is there below at the basin of the fall, that erodes, and it makes a plunge pool. Okay, so that is how a gorge is formed. So it's kind of a ravine, and it is smaller than the canyon. And the history, as I told you, that it was discovered in 1808, and since then it's all, like, naturally constructed. So it's a very huge park, and there are different parts to it. So we went to the Echo Lake Beach, and now we are at the basin. Okay, that's the basin of the fall. And after this we are also going to cover the Cannon Cliff. Okay, so in fact the Cannon Cliff, so it's a huge state park, and these are smaller parts inside it. So what we are doing is right now here is we are traveling to from one place to another by a car, and then we do a stroll at the, like, take a stroll at the place, like the basin. It's again a trail. So there are multiple trails inside the Franconian North State Park, and we are covering up each and every trail that's there. So that's the plan, and after this let's see what we are going to cover next. So stay glued. Okay, so Sandy is planning to jump. I am not recommending, but I don't know what he is up to. so right now what we are doing is we are leaving the basin and let's see what is going to be our next spot. So we covered the Flume Gorge and then we went to and as I told you, it's everything is a part of Franconian North State Park. So we covered Flume Gorge and then we went to the Echo Lake Beach. Now it was this one was the basin. Now let's see where we are headed ahead. Okay, so this is our last break that we have taken. We are on the way to Boston. That's my home, and it was a pretty good day at New Hampshire. And as I told you, stay glued for my next vlog. If you like this vlog, do click on the like button that's there, and if you click on the bell icon, you would get daily notifications whenever I release the vlog. And don't forget to share it with your friends and comment below and let me know how do you find it. Okay, so this is Aishwarya signing off, and I'm going to see you for the next Terrific Tuesday vlog series. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Bye bye.